crimson stains tied bound. The end the devil can't wash these stains away. Who's he, you ask, is a friend of me, cause my inability he was sent for me. I hear birds and trees, they're all telling me it's a good thing in one Gethsemane, cause this enemy is too much for me. In this question world is triple teaming me. It seems to be the very end. I scream please, oh please pass this cup for me. The thing is it did pass, and it passes every day. He took my cup from me, and gracefully he drank the grave.